the KSN Data Center Simulator. In the future agentic web, autonomous AI will allocate capital to green, high-efficiency physical infrastructure. But here's the dilemma. Enterprise architects want to prove their data centers are highly efficient to receive AI dividends, but exact PUE metrics, hardware blueprints, and locations are highly sensitive trade secrets. They cannot be exposed on a public blockchain. Now we have entered the welcome page, which contains the entrance of the building section and as well as the wallet connector, and it also shows what you can use to build a data center and what standards are included. Now for this application, two wallets are needed. One is an EVM wallet and another one is a Midnight preview chain supported wallet like Lace or 1AM wallet, and why two wallets, which will be revealed in the end of this demo. And so in this demo I will use Phantom wallet as the EVM one and 1AM wallet for the Midnight preview chain wallet. Now both wallets are connected, so we can start building. So now we have entered the building section pages. The user interface is inspired by Minecraft, using a semi-Lego building user interface to let users to build their data center, in which users can upload or download their works just in their browsers without storage of databases to keep their privacy in a more secure way. And here are the components users can use to build their data centers and the goals they have to achieve to get a certification. Now we'll open the additional network panel, and in which you can add extra floors or basement floors and configure your own topology, overlays, tabs, or SDN configurations. I'm now loading the default settings, and as you can see clearly on the screen, the default shows a pathway that contains multiple nodes and are all connected. And now I'm gonna upload my pre-produced works, and some safety checks will be made. And now I'm gonna connect spine A to spine B, and then validate and deploy the SDN intent. Now it shows successfully deployed. And in the additional graph panel, you can see there are ontology, explore, query, quality sections. In the explore section, you can see what components or assets you can use and are used. And well as in the query section, you can see what status of each component or assets are connected or have issues or all sorts of situations. Well, in the quality section, you can see what you have achieved to score and what score you have got due to your buildings. Now here's the fun part. I'm gonna to show you how to use the Legos, or as in the essential materials, to strengthen or add more features and flavors to the data centers. So you can click on the component, in this case the power items, and drag them on the user interface. And then here's the feature. It will automatically tell you where the nearest available spot it should stay, and if you use that feature, you can easily put them in a clear spot. Okay, now let's do some simulations. So once we have entered the simulation page, you will see that there are 4 factors representing the annual operations projection. And to show you the event logs, I will speed up to 16 times faster than the normal speed. As you can see, there are warnings, there are alertings, and there are infos, but they are all simulated ones, so it will show us a pretty good information about how well the buildings are structured. Okay, now let's finish and create our works. As you can see, we have reached Platinum certification level, and the upper time is to level 5, instead of level 1, and the score is 98 out of 100. And for local score, which is calculated only in the browser, 880 out of 1000, and the cost is within the budget, which is $1.5 million. And we have unlocked 7 achievements, and the overall judgment factors are shown in the breakdown section, which is redundancy, power, cooling, safety, efficiency, and security. And since we have added some additional power items, the power and efficiency will be scoring less in this demo. And you can always went back to the previous building stages to download your work. Okay, so now I'm gonna to mint our works into a DK-proof backed tokens, but here's the tricky part. The Midnight Live Preview chain currently runs Ledger version 9, while the public compiler supports only Ledger version 8. To ensure that uninterrupted delivery while waiting for the upstream version 9 tool chain, our system has seamlessly routed the verified ZK state to Ethereum Symbolia. And that's why we need 2 wallets, one in EVM, one in Midnight chain, to be connected in the wallet connecting sections. Because we need the Midnight supported wallet, in this case 1AM wallet, to generate the ZK proof and then hand the proof to Symbolia, and then put it on chain autonomously, or you can choose to input your name or any validated strings in the input section, and then generate it as a non-fungible token. And now, as we can see on the screen, the ZK generating process has validated that our computational score is larger than 85 and was handed to Symbolia, and then it was put on chain to make the transaction. Okay, here we are heading to the Ethereum scheme, and as the script shows, the transaction was a successful one. Now I'm gonna open my Phantom wallet to see my collectible NFTs, and in which are the certifications that we just minted, and all the necessary information are shown here, and it shows still anonymously, and the back circuit was ignored. The smart contract verifies the DK proof and issue a Platinum certification token. The Midnight native mint is fully coded and ready to activate once the network updates. This proves our architecture is not only privacy preserving, but highly resilient and chain agnostic. Thank you.